Good evening, gentlemen and ladies. Today we are the 20th of December. It's Wednesday. It's my Wednesday shout out video. And the shout out video will be for maintenance with Mike. I talked to him. I introduced to you about 2 weeks or 3 weeks ago on my last, 2 weeks ago on my Wednesday video. And Mike and us, we did an exchange our stickers, and I just received his from the our famous Canada Post. So let's open it. Just to do a quick recap, Mike is get an outstanding channel. He's got a lot of tips. Dehumidifier on his basement, rattling pipe. I mean, there's 82 videos. Right now is a 532 subscriber. He's making short also, various type of shorts, videos, and again, welcome to our channel, Maintenance and Mike. Hope to encourage you to try a number of maintenance items yourself. Our goal is to demonstrate and explain how to complete a number of maintenance projects around the home, property that you may need to do as well. And yes, the tractor channel community that we are in, it's all about sharing experience, supporting each other in good time and not so good time, and sharing communication, learning stuff from other around the world. Yes. And we welcome you and hope this brings you a good value. If it does, please like our video and subscribe to our channel. I remember he's got a Mercury boat. He's got a Kubota BX23S. He's got also a rear backhoe that's very therapeutic, trust me. Like I say, he's got also an ATV, a front snowblower. Is it the front? No, I think it's a rear snowblower. Is it the front or... No, it's a front. Sorry about that. And it started with a heat pump roof, which is very nice too. So let's open his letter that sent it to me. And with my famous bayonet, maybe I need to sharpen it. It's been a while since I... let's open... Oh boy. It is... like you see, very nice... sharpen like this. You just went like this, right, butter? Oh, before I put that, I was talking about Luke is my new green, and Luke was very kind to send me, look at this beautiful Christmas card. Thank you very kindly, Luke. And that very nice Christmas card that said Joyeux Noël and Bonne Année. So happy Christmas and have a happy New Year. David, give you all the best for you, and Luke and Kathleen. Orange is my new grade. Say thank you very kindly for your Christmas card, and I just put it like this for all the right there for all the Christmas time, and I put it in my cupboard also after the Christmas. I always keep everything that you folks send to me. So I opened that. Back to my good friend Mike. So let's open that right here. There we go. And wow. Okay. Woo! I have the nice, holy smoke. This is very professional. Look at that nice, nice letter. And I'm just gonna show you this very nice. I hope you're able to see it. And definitely very nice sticker. Yes. All right, and we're gonna put it in my cupboard. So what did he write? So he's living in British Columbia, by the way. December 5th, 2023. Dear David, I'd like to thank you for supporting my channel. It's been a pleasure getting to know you and other content creator on YouTube. Many thanks again, and have a great holiday season. Thank you very kindly. Sincerely, Maintenance with Mike Martel. He's got the same family name that me, but with 2 L. So like I was telling Mike, he's got some Scottish and French background. Definitely. So again, thank you very kindly. Go see his channel. I'm gonna put his web link into his video, and also thank you very kindly, Luke, for your very nice Christmas card. I'm gonna put the link video also your channel, because definitely Luke is an outstanding friend. I remember when he said he had pity on me about the way I was opening the oil my John there. He sent me a oil filter wrench, so I'm able to send that. So yes, again, thank you very kindly, Mike, and let's go into my kitchen cupboard to install this very nice sticker. All right, stick around. Cheers. All right, folks. So I'm gonna open my kitchen cupboard. I'd like to mention about the. I've been since a very long time a contributor for the Terry Fox run, and Terry Fox was an outstanding Canadian who fought cancer, running across Canada. And yeah, so please go see Terry Fox Foundation on the website. You're gonna see and contribute to help this outstanding foundation. So I'm just gonna put that back there. All right, I'm gonna open it here. Oh, now the question is, yes, I'm starting to get full. So where I'm going to put this sticker? Oh boy. That's starting to get complicated. You know what? I still have red there. That would be just perfect. Right there at the top. You see it live. All right. So again, thank you very kindly, Mike, for your outstanding sticker support. And go see his channel. So now I'm going to do an attempt of all these channels all across. Please look at the video description. I'm gonna put all the links of their channel, and they all I mean, wow, outstanding friends, outstanding YouTube creator. Some are very creative, some are, you can see they like to share information, stuff like that. So I'm gonna start from left. So of course my good friend Open Air Adventure, I forget his name, sorry about that. Kenny. And Kenny was a great supporter of my channel. He helped me to cross the 1,000. He's living in Cape Breton. He's a woodmaster, lumbering. He's got a very nice shack also. What was his last video about his sticker? And he's got the best garage, man's cave. Nice fir wood. I mean, wow. Very nice. And yes. Of course, my good friend Dana from Alaskan Life, that it's 180 Florida Life. He's living in Florida now. He used to live in Alaska. He's a great. He used to be an airport worker there. Very nice, and his lady too. Also, Richie and Christy Hillside Acre. It's been a while since they published a video, even a short. They're very busy couple. They're living in. It's in Maine, so in the States. So yes, of course. Dave from Pale Horse Outdoor. It's been more than 1 year. I know he went to surgery. He's doing well, but I think he's very busy. Maybe he's gonna come back doing videos. All his videos was outstanding. So I don't know. I write him about 6 months ago. He told me he need to, but he's doing well. But it's just you may have come back doing some videos, but let's hope that he does. Of course, Chris at Watershed Overlook. Chris is talking about a man who is doesn't scare about snakes. I know on the head live streams, he sent me a video like. I don't know how he does that. He's dealing with copperheads, black snakes. What was the video showing me? Like, come on, man, that guy's got balls. And he sent me the cards for one of my two snow angels passed away. Right now, he bought a stump grinder. Very nice work on that. Very precise. He's got the magic chainsaw. Cutting stump without even seeing it, so please go see him. Also, my good friend Ken Berzelik, the student mechanic. I've got this T-shirt in my office. He's not even like he's doing machinist work, but he's also fixing latte, all the machinist. He's very detailed guy, very knowledgeable. And of course my good Logan at Fab It Fun. It's been a while since he do video. I think he's doing only one video per month, but he's doing very good. An outstanding daddy family work. I know he's got a girlfriend now. We all go through that separation, divorce. Some more than others, like me, 4 times. Anyway, so that's why I'm single now. Liberty! Anyway, but Logan is an outstanding gentleman. Of course, Homestead and Full, they're making various videos, various cooking. They have a Mahindra with a cab. Hey, okay, I like them, alright. But they live in northern East Maine. So very nice couple. Of course, Mike with maintenance with Mike, living in British Columbia. I already talked to you about that. Very nice guy, very nice, dedicated home jack of all trade, I'd say, yeah. Viper 6, my good friend Roberto, which is due south right now, living in Tucson. In Tucson, I hope it's that, but various videos of. He didn't break his motorcycle this year, I believe, but very nice videos about, let's say, people who have problem driving. Yes, let's say. Uzo Helper, it's been a while since he did a video, I forget his name, but very nice detailed guy. He's helping his community, his church community too, and I forget the name of the state where he lives, but look at this video. He's got one Kubota tractor. Forget about that. What was his video? Of course, and my good USAF, United States Air Force veteran friend, Dell, in backyard with Dell. He had a landing gear fix now. His leg is going much better. His knee is doing logging. He also did, what did he do last? He's renovating a garden tractor too. Yes, very good guy. Guinness Win, Butler, Outdoor Canada, very nice gentleman with various music. He's got a Mercedes 30. Very nice. He's starting to he took a pause for a while. Now he's making videos. And of course, my good friend Ross with his. I know he had a problem with his trench. He mixed the pipe drain. Poor Ross. That trench caused him a lot of problem, but now he's an outstanding and a very good teamwork with his son. I like when they do both of them doing video. They joking about them, so I like that. Of course, a Ritter bit will do. Very nice, Jon Ritter with his Brielle and Brittany. Outstanding channel. He's got 2 Kubota tractor. Like this year, like we all lost our snow right here. So and same thing is happening with him. So yeah, and various type of project he's doing. He's got a backhoe. He's got 2 tractor with 2 backhoe, 2 various size. Yukon acre they call it. Yes, with beaver problems, which beaver is good. And of course, my good friend Gary, Tractor Talk with Gary, is doing, oh my god, he's doing filming auction, tractor auction, he's doing firewood, all the cattle stuff. Very nice gentleman. I like his jokes when he published them. Very nice gentleman. Of course, Gator at Gator World. He's publishing a video every 3 or 4 days. Very nice gentleman. I just wonder, talking about Gary, there's Noel at Tractor Work. Noel is living in PI. I'm gonna have his link also. Noel is a very outstanding gentleman too. Grumpy Workshop. Everybody knows Grumpy and is doing very well with his nanny. I know right now he used his generator a couple of times. He's got various projects always on the go. Woodwork, tractor, his rear backhoe, not the rear backhoe, but the snowblower with a remote control. Of course, Luke, I already talked to him. Very nice gentleman. Orange is my new green with his flow, the camera following. I think he's also lost all this snow. He's doing a very nice detail, like woodwork outside, renovating inside his home too. His former, and Joseph, his tractor with his dad. They're renovating a tractor, major overhaul of garden tractors, very detailed all the way, very nice team. Right now, this is his last week at school. He must be doing working very hard for his exam. So keep up the good work, Joseph, on your exam, and I hope you succeed everything you wish for. And happy Christmas. Of course, GP. Well, GP, the best Canadian ambassador of all. For anyone, GP is with his outstanding friends, doing various stuff, putting wheel, spacers, chains. Yeah, and the same thing, they lost all their snow too, but he's doing various woodworking with Guy, his neighbor. So yeah, and Husky Bug, like they call him, and my good friend Head at my Colored Garage. He bought a new property. Right now he's gonna put a wood stove, lucky guy. So yes, I can't wait to have him having his wood stove. He's gonna get addicted to the wood stove collective. Now I'm going to be lower. Oh yes, my good friend Sebastian who sent me the cup there. He's raising dogs for one thing. Very nice videos. Am I forgetting somebody? Okay, there's also Keep Up Tractoring. Noel, yes, that's the one. Noel Tractor and Firewood. the card is right here. Very nice gentleman. He's publishing a video per day. Very interesting. And we like to talking about tractor, women, firewood. His son's got a garage too, so it's very nice. Noel is a good. He's working very hard, making improving his videos, his sound, his camera. He did a lot of firewood video and he even tried to, and he succeeded. He did 2 push-ups, like very strong man, and he's doing also crunches. Very nice. I like Noel. It was very fun too, yeah. And Manistoke, Mike and Manistoke. The last video was he received a big load of 16-foot long logs for his windmill in order to build this barn. Sorry, not the farm, but a barn. It's gonna be very nice, beautiful, very nice Canadian living in the upper Superior Lake. And of course, my the lady Dana at Dream Creation and Adventure. She's doing a video per day in the manger for preaching about the incoming Savior Jesus Christ, and I really like I really like her preaching style with humorous, good spirit. Very nice lady. Keep up the good work, Donna. I really like that. What else am I forgetting? I think I did cover every one of you folks. Sorry if I didn't forget the first name. Sorry about that. So again, thank you very kindly, Mike, for your outstanding sticker. You're gonna be there, and perhaps maybe I'm gonna have to buy a 4x8 plastic board, and I'm gonna stick all the sticker there because yeah, I think it's getting pretty full. All right, so please. I'm gonna publish another video definitely on the Sunday morning, the 24th. So until then, happy holidays, happy Christmas. Take care of yourself. All right. If you see sign around your folks that they're having a rough time to be single, or take the time to talk to them. I did that today with my good co-worker, my good young ones and not so young one. Supporting them and holiday season. It's all about the good spirit, the incoming of our Savior Jesus, and also sharing family time. Yes, and remember, wash your hands, good hygiene, because the COVID, influenza, they all rise up. They even H1N1. It's the virus. It happened like 15 years ago in 2009. It's rising again. So please take care of your hygiene. maybe think about the not so good health, take your distance a little bit, but enjoy the family time together. All right, so remember, life is good. Thank you kindly again for all your standing support, and yeah, all right, cheers.